Hey guys, it's David and welcome to an episode of August Crypto. So today we're just going to go over what's going on with the cryptocurrency markets. As you guys probably noticed, it's been complete insanity. We had a little bit of a break for about a week or so. For Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the altcoins have been dipping slightly for a good week and a half now, but things are starting to kind of move in the bullish direction. So as you can see, over the last 7 days, Bitcoin's up 8.4% again. So Ethereum actually was recently catching up and moving up 16%. So that's huge. I'm a long-term holder of Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I'm actually accumulating interest utilizing a service through Celsius Network. So I'll talk a little bit more about that later. Some of the other things I'm looking at right now: Binance, BNB Coin, that's blowing up. A lot of people, a lot of industries, and a lot of different projects are building on BNB token, and Binance is a huge player in the space. Okay, so I may be looking to accumulate a little bit more Binance as well, because I do see it growing and growing. It's number 3 for market cap right now, which is huge. It came out of nowhere, so that's a big player. Cardano actually looking really bullish as well, down 10%. However, it might be a good deal right now to purchase some more, accumulate a little bit more Cardano right now, which I'm also holding. Okay. So yeah, things are starting to kind of move in a positive direction. Today, since the morning, it's been a little bit sideways, to be honest, but yesterday was a huge bullish day. Now there is some news here that I like to go over. Major Swiss retailer set to debut Bitcoin gift cards. So Manor and Valora are leveraging the current crypto hype to sell Bitcoin gift cards in their stores across Switzerland. So that's crazy. Switzerland's crypto boom has entered another dimension, with retailers rolling out Bitcoin BTC vouchers and gift cards. According to Swiss Daily, Tajis and Zager Manor, the country's largest department store chain, is already selling Bitcoin vouchers cards in 59 of its branches. Meanwhile, the retail giant Valora will begin selling BTC gift cards in its kiosks across the countries starting April 1st. Guys, this is insanity, okay? So you're going to be able to buy Bitcoin gift cards that you can withdraw, or kind of cash in and then deposit into your exchange and hold Bitcoin that way through a gift card. It's actually loaded with Bitcoin on there, and then you can move it to an exchange. So this is complete insanity, guys. So Bitcoin is taken seriously, and cryptocurrency is being taken seriously when you can buy vouchers right in the retail store. So this is just in Switzerland, but this may leverage out towards US and Canada and other parts of the world. So this is a complete insanity, guys. I'm gonna lower down my phone here so you guys don't hear that. So that's crazy. So let's look at the actual charts. I may turn off these. You guys can see these alerts here. Turn that off for a moment. Now we'll talk about that alert system. But if you look at Bitcoin, it's been going. We had a downward trend for a little while there, right? Right? We had a downward trend for a little while there, but then we're starting to kind of move back upwards, as you guys can see. Right? So we're starting to get some momentum again. Right, so we're heading upwards, and boom, we're going up towards all-time high here, which was a little over 58,000, right? 58,000. Then we had a big sell-off here. Okay, big sell-off, and everyone thought that the bull market was over. Everyone thought that it was craziness, but honestly, I'm still bullish, and it's a bullish market still, so it's trending back upwards again. So we're making a comeback here because the season is not over. All right. Now I'm gonna turn these signals back on here again with Lux Algo. You guys can see the various different buy and sell signals. If you were to use Lux Algo, which I love using, and that's that's just crazy. So let's go ahead and lower the amount of days here, because that was just squished. Obviously, you're not gonna. You don't need the whole, the whole year to be on your screen to be able to do buy and sell. Okay. So let's say you're trading. All right. Let's say you're trading here. And you can mess with the algorithm a bit and change sensitivity levels, but in this case, it was a good time to buy, signal buy, and as you move, you could have took profit here, or could have kept riding that wave and then selling here, right? When we had a significant dip and we were bearish, you could buy there and keep riding the waves, taking your profit throughout the way, or just selling at the top, right? So there's different modes in the software that I use. It's called Lux Algo. I'll include that in the description down below. This whole charting platform is called TradingView, which I use. I'll also include the link down below for TradingView. But overall, guys, cryptocurrency, I believe, is booming and continuing to boom. One way for me to leverage my holdings and not freak out and sell when things are moving down a little bit, kind of hodling, because I believe Ethereum and Bitcoin are going to go super high. I believe Bitcoin's going to go to 100K. Analysts are also saying that by end of the year. Ethereum maybe up to 10K to 20K, which is insanity, but hey, it's not impossible. It's not unrealistic. We're getting more and more companies buying in. Tesla, MicroStrategy, and there's going to be Fortune 500 companies buying in. There's going to be thousands and thousands of companies buying in, and there's only so much Bitcoin in the world. There's 21 million Bitcoin available, right? And I think about 6 million of it's been lost. So let's just keep that in mind. There's only so much on the table. The price is going to go up. Okay, guys? One way to stabilize your crypto holdings and make interest on it is my favorite, one of my favorite altcoins, Cell Token, okay? And Celsius Network. So with Celsius Network, sure, I'll out cookies today. With Celsius Network, you can earn by hodling, by holding your crypto, all right? So this is the modern way of banking, okay? So your bank pays you 1% a year on interest, okay? So they take your money, then lend it out to everyone else so that they can charge 19%, 21% on credit cards, on a credit card loan. They'll pay you 1%. If that makes any sense to you guys. So to avoid that, you guys got to look outside the box. To look outside the box, Celsius Network is an app. You download it on your phone, right? Essentially you can save and make all kinds of interest, a high level of interest with your Bitcoin and Ethereum assets, okay? So you can earn rewards here. You can also borrow. So based on how much money you have deposited, how much crypto you have deposited, you can actually get a loan. And you can easily transfer crypto to other people as well. Alex Mashinsky is a complete genius in my opinion. And he's founded billion-dollar companies and exits. And he's just a smart dude, honestly. And right now there's a promo code you can earn, which I'll include in the link in the description down below, so you guys can earn an additional $40 if you deposit at least $200 in crypto, okay? So it's crypto in your own terms. This is just kind of an overview. Digital currency should be accessible to all with meaningful rewards and real flexibility to secure a loan, send to friends, and build wealth. That's Celsius, okay? So you can earn a ridiculous amount of interest. Now, this is real numbers here, guys, okay? Some of these websites out there where you can deposit your money and earn 1.3% a day, 1.5% a day, those are all scams, okay? Those are all Ponzi schemes. Celsius is a real company managing real assets and lending out crypto to all these giant exchanges and companies out there, okay? And they show everything that they show all the places where they're putting their money, how they're spending it, how sell token is spent, how much they buy back, etc. And Alex is on calls every single week to tell you what's going on and answer questions, okay? You want to see the face of the company if possible when you're investing into different platforms, tokens, exchanges, and storing your crypto, which I prize my crypto more than anything other than my family, of course, my loved ones. So keep in mind, right? I do the research. Now, do not ever invest anything you're not, willing to lose. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, okay? But you can see the different rates here of how you earn. There's no minimum balance required. Rewards are paid out weekly and withdrawal at any time with no fees. So when you withdraw, you actually have to confirm that you have the right address. So you confirm it. It takes 24 hours for confirmation. Once you've confirmed, you can withdraw easily. Okay, this is the app. This is what it looks like, right? It tells you how much you have, and your loan rates are actually, loans start at 1% APR, which is ridiculous, okay? And this is what the app looks like when you're earning. Now they're actually moving to desktop, so there's a beta test run right now for the desktop app, which I'm super excited for. But right now it's just the mobile app, right? So you can do it right on your phone, and you can manage all your assets in one place. And it tells you how much APY. So how much accumulation per year you're making in real time. Okay, you get paid out every week. It's just an amazing platform, guys. So this is a breakdown of how the company's doing. So they have $2 billion in held in treasury, which is insane. Number of users 483,484 plus number of users, and community assets is ridiculous. It's 9,524,792,266. Okay, modern currency, full of transparency, opportunity for all, safe, trusted, 24 hours 7 access, mobile friendly, and global reach. So obviously Trustpilot is saying good things about Celsius. You can watch all the different videos. He's been on different shows, etc. And Alex does not mind talking and telling you the facts, okay? So he jumps on various different podcasts. He jumps on news. He jumps on everywhere, okay? And he's willing to speak his mind. How do you guys earn? You're probably wondering. So how do you earn with your cryptos? You can make up to 17.78% annually, and that's with specific tokens, okay? And you earn additional percentage when you're at the platinum level, which means you hold more cell token as well, okay? And right now you have that 40% bonus, so you're gonna have a referral bonus using my link down below, but also you can use a coupon code to earn an additional, for the promo code, earn an additional $40. So that's a lot, guys. So that's a lot on your money. You don't need a bank to make bank. Traditional banks devour all the profits, and the last thing on their mind is you. That's not our style, and it never will be. All right. So you can actually calculate what coin is paying out what for how much. So let's say you deposit $1,000 in Bitcoin. Okay. If you get paid out in Bitcoin, you're earning APY of 4.06. This will fluctuate depending on what's going on in the markets, okay? But now if you're earning cell token, you're actually going to get paid out quite a bit more, 5.31%, all right? Same thing goes with Ethereum, 5.05, and APY with cell token payments is 6.61. Now, you cannot get paid out in cell token yet in the United States, I believe, so keep that in mind. I'm over here in Canada. It works for me. Now you can see the reward rates here, United States versus international, okay? So look at this. I'm a huge believer in synthetics network. So look at the payment there. You're getting 17.78 paid out in cell token on interest, okay? Even just getting synthetics network paid back, you're getting 13.99. That's crazy, right? Cell token itself, if you're holding it, 4.86%, which is pretty good. Now, some of these are pretty big, right? Now, look at this. Let's say you guys have $20,000 just chilling in the bank, okay? let's say you have $20,000 sitting in the bank. You can actually move it to a stable coin. So let's do this. True. Let's pretend it's Canadian dollars because I'm Canadian, okay? Let's say you have $20,000 chilling in the bank. That's 2,000. 20,000. Okay. If you want to get paid out, all right. That's USD value. So yeah, let's just say $20,000, $25,000 Canadian, 20,000 USD. Wow, 5K more. Wow. You actually get paid, okay? After 1 year, you're getting 2,100. So you're getting $2,000 on your money, just letting it sit there. Whereas the bank's gonna pay you 1%, which is basically nothing, okay? So look at the percentage there. If you're getting paid out in Cell token, you're getting even that much more here, okay? For just holding an asset. All right, bank pays you 1%, they're gonna pay you 13.86 or 10.51%. All right, it's just insanity, guys, and people that are skeptical and all that stuff. You got to think about how much you trust your bank, and if the moment you put your cash in the bank, it's a bunch of zeros and ones anyway. They don't really have the cash on hand. Maybe they have their reserve balance, but if you knock on their door and say, "Hey, I want $100,000 in cash," it's gonna take a while. It's gonna maybe take a day or two, right? Because they don't have it on hand, or they don't want to let all that go right away. Okay. So yeah, this is Celsius Network. You can also do loans, which is amazing. I'm actually gonna test that out very soon. So you don't have to sell your assets, and then you can take out a loan with the very low interest rate. So use it as leverage. The bank will not give you 1% APR, okay? And apparently you get loans pretty much instantly, right? So let's say you want to get a $1,000 loan, and for 1 year term, right? Look at the APR there. If it's loan to value ratio is 25%, 33%, or 50%, right? It's crazy, and that's how much collateral you'll need for that loan. All right, guys. So let's say you have like, let's say you want to borrow 10K. You're gonna need 22 Ethereum. Okay. It's that simple. And you can pay in cash or in Cell. All right. So if you guys are interested in Celsius Network, then please click on the link down below. I'm gonna have my referral code there, where you make an additional $20 in Bitcoin, as long as you hold for at least a month. Deposit at least $200 in crypto, okay? Any of those assets you saw there. Plus, I have a code for you to earn an additional $40 in the promo code if you're a first-time Celsius Network user. Now, if you look at the breakdown of the token itself, you know, it's a little bit low right now when it comes to the market cap, because there's so much competition in the altcoins lately, but it is up 9% in the last week. But look at the overall numbers, guys. Within the last 1 year, we're up 4,882%. Okay. Okay. So I'm holding my Cell token, guys. A lot of people are jumping to other projects and stuff, but I'm holding because global adoption is happening in crypto, and I'm not going to be left behind. Okay. 4,882% gains in the last year. So I do foreseeing it. Let's look at the 90-day. I do foreseeing it growing, continuously growing, and you know, they're, I think, the second largest holder of crypto assets when it comes to giving out loans and things like that. So yeah, Celsius is doing big things, and I wouldn't sleep on Celsius. Okay. So I'm looking forward to holding and accumulating as much. I should accumulate more on a dip, if there is another dip, as well. And I like that Celsius is advertising. Woo! Celsius is doing ads right now in CoinGecko. I love it. I love it. All right, guys. So if you guys want to take advantage of Celsius Network and get in, make sure you guys click on the link down below where you get your $20 bonus in Bitcoin, which could be valued a lot more later, and also get your code for the $40 in addition offer, which I'll include in my description as well. So this is the breakdown on cryptocurrency today, guys. Super bullish on Bitcoin. I'm super bullish on Ethereum and the whole market. And I'm super bullish on Celsius, okay? This is not financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not your mom. I'm not your dad, as always. And if you guys want to trade, a lot of people have been using Bybit. So I'm experimenting a little bit on Bybit. I'll take up a small percentage of my portfolio for day trading as I learn the markets, and utilize also Lux Algo, which I'll include a link down below. Utilizing these buy and sell charts and signals, as well as my technical analysis that I'm learning to do some leverage trading of my own. All right, guys. But yeah, this is David Wynn, August University. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Once we get to 2K subscribers, if you did not subscribe, hit the notification bell. Once we get to 2K subscribers, which are getting close, doing a giveaway. Last giveaway was at 1K. I give $100 in crypto. It was the winner decided to get Bitcoin. This time, you guys, if you're the winner, you can choose. But it has to be cryptocurrency, okay? It can be USD token, Canadian token, but it has to be crypto, all right? Because that's what we're talking about right now. If you have to and you're not into crypto, honestly, you're not going to win. If you don't believe in crypto, you're not going to win. Maybe I'll do PayPal, but I prefer to send it in crypto because that's what I'm passionate about. All right, guys, this is David Wynn, August University, and comment down below. You got in, I got in. Say I got in. Hit the like button, hit subscribe for a chance to win. And once I hit 2K subscribers, I'm going to announce the winner. Okay, we're going to do a random draw. All right, this is David Wynn, August University, and see you in the next video.